si honeypotting, the live session, acoustic affairs, patating tambi, patating Chris Cross junto com o Shaira também junto conosco, patating si mama sa The Revoir and todo com Jongi. E Rafaela me tinta me Gabriel junto conosco. Vamos conversar com Rafaela awe noite cá, para Rafaela como vai?
Ah, muito bom, dank je.
Como está? Para dar-me um preview, eu me wow, que voz. Conta-me um pouco de uma mês, Rafaela. O que é o qual você está assim, que sabe?
Do qual me tá assim? I'm alive.
Of course.
Mita canta.
Okay.
Mita actua.
Okay.
No sa si abaso like many years ago.
Okay.
First ribbon film.
Yes.
If you guys remember. Yes. And during the day I'm a teacher.
Nice. Pensei também, cara, tá conhecidos de movie. Excelente. Nós temos Gabriel também junto conosco. Gabriel, contame um pouco. Conta como gaio. Tu gosta bom? Sim. Que é o qual como dá assim música, arte?
Dá assim, durante o dia me trabalho com publicidade, anto saia, coisas assim. E à noite, agora que me estou trabalhando com música, sim.
Tremendo. Me tiene digo nos em duas canções pendente, para todos que estão junto conosco, conectados também. Para mim que nos vai jumping nessa aqui, pergunta que me está apontando tu artista, tá simples. Que é o qual que tá música papo, que le Rafaela tem casa.
Música tá me. Without music, there's no me.
Okay.
So yeah, mita acta. Yeah, I just love it.
It's just you.
It's me.
I love it.
Yeah.
Nice. Den dia bota docentes aqui tá de música também, ou
No,
completamente diferente.
mita teach informatica, like computer science, completely different, but yeah.
Relates
It's
in a
cool
bit.
Yeah.
Master. Vamos começar de Biago, nosso primeiro performance. Contame um pouco da primeira canção que nós vamos escutar.
Per me, cantiga como também canta tá Valerie.
Okay.
It's a nice, sweet song, a little bit upbeat, a little bit not, and one of my favorites. So.
Master, all right. When you guys are ready, nos da Lost de Bia.
Sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the border and I think of all the things of what you're doing, and in my head I paint a picture. And since I've come on home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over and stop making a fool out of me? So why don't you come on over, Valerie? Oh, Valerie, Valerie, oh, Valerie. Did you have to go to jail? Put your house up on for sale. Bet you got a good lawyer. I hope you didn't catch a 10. I hope you find the right man who will fix it for you. And are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you busy? Did you have to pay that fine? You were dodging all the time. Are you still dizzy? Well, since I've come on home, yeah, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over and stop making a fool out of me? So why don't you come on over, Valerie? Oh, Valerie, Valerie, oh, Valerie. Well, sometimes I go look across the water, and I think of all the things of what you're doing, and in my head I paint a picture. And since I've come on home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over and stop making a fool out of me? So why don't you come on over, Valerie? Oh, Valerie, Valerie, oh, Valerie, Valerie. Thank you.
Master. Nice, homem, tremendo. Tremendo. E como bina e escolhência de canção em Rafaela?
Well,
Well.
we have this thing nesta canta a noite, so it's part of repertoire,
Okay.
we just picked that one.
Master, nice. I love the song. Schrijf een ding maar circa die microfoon van me.
Okay.
Alright. Nós temos a temporada de Páscoa, mas que de mundial, no mundial basicamente vai cambiar no tiki, pero assim na mesmo está still ding lo qual te último dia de fim de ano. Que coisa lo qual ku tabo planos para 2023. Dus ano está acabando, musicalmente, que coisa lo qual ku porque logra, vamos ver assim.
Musicalmente, play more with Gabby. Because we make a great team, yeah. But so
Nice.
we taking a break for 4 years.
Okay.
And nang pili me back pa kanta, and then they gave me 3 different guitars.
Okay.
And he was the third one. And it clicked. And we stayed.
Nice.
So yeah, we make a good team.
Nice. That's awesome. So, é planta para trabalhar mais música cubo. Nice, não? Tremendo. Nós temos uma canção mais para o tarde. Conta-me um pouco mais disso aqui.
This is a Christmas song. It's a classic. It's one of my favorites also. Nos no toque nunca junto.
Okay.
So, but I think we're gonna do a good job. It's called Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. By the way, it's my birthday month, so.
Alright. Hey, by the way, se busca regalo,
You know what?
Tem
Yeah.
setor, esse regalo que não tem problema. Alright, mas você claro, se losse de Bia. Ready?
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. May your hearts be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. And here we are, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. And faithful friends who are here to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years, we all will be together, if the fates allow. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your hearts be light. Get yourself, have a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. And here we are, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. And faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the year, we all will be together, if the fates allow. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough. So please have yourself a merry little Christmas now.
Wow! Nice! Tapos perfecto, bueno, estás que me gusta me
Yes.
na master. Tu le sangue bloquearte in contatto con você também quizás private performance ang você haces aqui possível?
Yes, we do.
All right. Contacto en number Instagram,
You give them your number. Dime? Ok. Mi número está 565-0274.
Master. Tu le sangue bloquear para private events, casamento, divorcio. Tu como estás basicamente, ¿verdad? Master. Super mes performance avota. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for
Thank you for
aceptar a
having me.
invitación también. Nos tiene Dan and Kay atrás. Dan, saluda. Dan and Kay si e mesmo segmento que na ay pasa. Anto manigo nos contact Daniel también le bisa ibas kiko bang pesaki, bang pa isaki anto ito ta simple amazing.
Thank you.
Tremendo.
By the way,
Great
fun
job.
fact, he's my brother.
Yeah. You what's the kind of look alike?
We do.
Guys, thank you
Thank you.
pa join us hoy tarde y nos queda pendiente para el siguiente ocasión.
All right.
All
Thank
right.
you very much.
Thank you.
Wow.
Wow. Otra edición